Hey guys, it's me, Braden Blackwood, or Noctis. Noctis. Yeah. Y'all can call me Noctis. And I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a thumbnail. So, it's very simple. You just make your little picture, like, you go, let me go on this thing. I go on this to make thumbnails. Thumbnail maker. That's what I make thumbnails with. And then, stuff. Well, you can just make a little picture, and then you can go to, you can just take a screenshot of something, and you go to YouTube Studio, and go to videos, I guess, and then you go to this one, and you go to edit thing. I'm just tired, because, yes, so, I want to do that. I select that one, and then I add a description. I'm just going to add a description. I'm just going to say Blay, because I don't care what I say. Okay. So that's it. Now I save. Okay. And there we go. That's how you do stuff. Bye-bye. Y'all see me? I know I'm not good at making videos. I'm not good at editing. I'm using that Power Director thing and stuff. I'm bleeding. What is this? I think I got a scab. Yes, I got a scab. Well, thanks for watching my video. I've been editing here for like 5 minutes now. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.